The Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer is designed for high performance, featuring a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, making it 12 times faster than most FDM 3D printers on the market. With its Core XY structure, this printer ensures intricate details are printed without compromising on speed, all while maintaining a noise level of less than 50 decibels for a quiet working environment. It offers smart convenience with one-click printing, automatic leveling, and a dual filtration system that blocks 99% of particles and VOCs, making it suitable for closed environments. The printer is equipped with a max 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder and a large flow hot end, heating to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, ensuring fully melted consumables for high-speed, high-temperature printing. Users will appreciate the additional features such as remote camera monitoring, quick detachable nozzle, automatic shutdown after printing, and a double-sided flexible PEI steel plate for easy model removal. FlashForge provides exceptional after-sales support, including a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring any questions are answered within 24 hours.